In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself in QuickBooks. If you're a business owner who takes owner's draws rather than payroll, this walkthrough will show you how to record that payment correctly so your books stay accurate and clean. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account and landing on the main dashboard. This ensures you're in the right company file and ready to record the transaction. The goal here is to create a check transaction that reflects money moving from your business bank account to you as the owner, and to categorize it to an equity account rather than an expense. From the dashboard, click the Create or New icon, then choose Check. This opens the check form, which is the most straightforward way to record an owner's draw. Using a check transaction here doesn't force you to print anything, it simply provides a familiar layout to capture the payee, the amount, and the category. Think of it as documenting the movement of funds so your bank register and equity balance both reflect the payment properly. In the payee field, enter your name as the person being paid. This makes it clear in your records who received the funds. Next, in the category details of the check, select the owner's draw account. This should be an equity type account. It tells QuickBooks this payment is a distribution to the owner, not a business expense. That distinction is important. Owner's draws reduce equity and don't show up on your profit and loss report as an expense. If your business structure requires payroll for owner compensation, do not use a draw. Consult your accountant to confirm the right method for your situation. Now enter the amount you're paying yourself. Choose the correct date so the draw appears in the right period, and consider adding a clear memo such as owner draw for the month to make future reviews and reconciliations easier. A concise memo can save time when you or your accountant look back over transactions. When everything looks right, click Save to record the transaction. If you prefer, Save and Close will bring you back to your dashboard. That's it. You've recorded your payment to yourself as an owner's draw through a check transaction in QuickBooks. Remember, this method does not withhold taxes like payroll would, so plan accordingly and coordinate with your tax professional if needed. Keeping a consistent memo, double-checking the owner's draw category, and saving promptly will help keep your books organized and accurate.